This problem, we want to find the standard form of the equation of each parabola satisfying the given conditions. So our focus is 5, 1. And our directrix is x equals -2. Well, you have to decide which formula you're using. And if you're given a directrix, again, it's pretty straightforward. The top formula is when directrix is y equals something, and the bottom one is when directrix is x equals something. In this one, we got x equals, which is the bottom formula. So we'll be working with the bottom formula. For our focus is h plus p comma k. So this is h plus p. So h plus p is equal to 5. And this is k. So k is equal to 1. And our directrix is x equals h minus p. So this is h minus p. So h minus p is equal to -2. The three things we need is we need h, we need k, and we need p. Well, k is given. K is 1. And we got h plus p is equal to 5, and h minus p is equal to -2. This is a system of equations, and we can solve this using the addition method. H plus h is 2h, p minus p drops away. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. And then we divide both sides by 2. And we got h is equal to 3/2. Well, then we have to find out what p is. So we'll plug that back in one of our equations. Doesn't matter which one you pick. We got h plus p is equal to 5. We just said h is 3/2. So we got 3/2 plus p is equal to 5. Take 3/2 over. So we got 5 minus 3/2. So we'll take the 5, multiply times our denominator. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus the -3 gives us 7. So that gives us 7/2. You can also plug that in your calculator in TI3, TI4. You do 5 minus 3 divided by 2, enter. And then after you get that, you do math, enter. So if you stink at fractions, you can definitely use your calculator to do some of that basic math for you. And what did I say? P is 7/2. Now we're working with the bottom formula. So let's see what our bottom formula looks like. Y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. So we'll plug in what we found. K was 1. So we got y minus 1 squared equals 4 times p, which was 7/2. Then x minus h, so x minus 3/2. You do a little bit of simplifying, not very much. 4 times 7 is 28, divided by 2 is 14. And everything else remains as is. So our answer is y minus 1 squared is equal to 14 times x minus 3/2.